Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to buy diamonds in Hay Day. To buy diamonds in Hay Day, first of all, launch the Hay Day app open on your device. Once you end up in the gameplay screen, go ahead and tap on the little diamond and coin icon at the top right corner. You will then be able to open up the store from where you can buy diamonds, coins, and get your hands on weekly offers and deals. Select diamond from the top of the screen and then you will be presented with various packages of diamonds. Select the amount of diamonds you want to buy and after selecting the package, you will be prompted to confirm the purchase using your App Store or Google Play account. Enter your payment information and follow through the instructions to complete the transaction. Once your purchase is completed, the diamonds will be added onto your account immediately. That's how you successfully buy diamonds in Hay Day. You can now use the diamonds to speed up processes, buy special items, or unlock exciting features. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorial videos like this. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.